Hello students, let us see problem number 4 in exercise 8.1. Read the question. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. We must prove in a square the diagonals are equal, and we also should prove the diagonals are bisecting each other at right angles. How we are going to prove? Listen carefully. First write what is given. Given ABCD is a square. So draw a square with vertices ABCD. So AC and BD are the diagonals. They are intersecting at a point O. So mark the point of intersection of the diagonals as O. So what we have to prove? The diagonals AC and BD, okay, intersect each other and they are equal. This is what we have to prove. So first consider triangle ABC, and triangle BAD. Consider these two triangles ABC, okay, this triangle, and BAD, this triangle. When you consider these two triangles, as you see, they lie on the common base AB. AB is the side which is common to the triangle ABC as well as BAD. So AB is equal to AB, common. Since we are talking about the sides of the square, we know that in a square all the sides are equal. So the sides BC and AD are equal. So BC is equal to AD. The reason is sides of a square. Also angle ABC, this angle, no? Angle ABC, this is equal to angle BAD. So we are talking about the side AB, side BC, and the angle ABC of the triangle ABC. So side, angle, side. So when you consider the triangle DAB, we are talking about the side AB, the side AD, and the angle BAD. So these two triangles are congruent to each other by side angle side congruence. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. By CPCT rule, AC is equal to BD. The third side of the triangle AC is equal to third side of the triangle BD. Okay. Now consider another pair of triangles AOB and AOD. We are going to consider AOB, this triangle AOB and AOD, these two triangles AOB and AOD. These two triangles lying on the common base OA. So we can write AO is equal to AO, that is common side. As mentioned previously, these AB and AD are the sides of the square. So AB is equal to AD, common side. So OB is equal to OD. So as the diagonals are bisecting each other, OB is equal to OD. OB is equal to OD here. Okay. Thus the triangle AOB and AOD, these two triangles are congruent to each other by SSS congruence. By corresponding parts of congruent triangle CPCT rule, this angle AOB, this angle, no, this is equal to angle AOD. These two angles are equal. As the angle AOB and angle AOD lie on the same straight line. Okay, these two angles form linear pair. So when you add angle AOB and angle AOD, you will get 180 degree. So angle AOB plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. This is equal to 90 degree, which implies this OA. OA is perpendicular to BD. As OA is a part of the line AC, we can conclude AC is perpendicular to BD.